Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss very important topic related to air conditioners. A demand of AC, a new AC every 15 seconds. This is going to happen. Let's look at how it is possible. Heat waves are rising and the temperatures are rising year by year, month by month, and you are seeing what kind of heat waves are happening across the globe. Even in India, the temperatures are just rising. The climate change, everyone is knowing. The impact of climate change are so much that everything has its own disastrous impact. Urbanization is happening rapidly. In India, you can see you go to the towns, you go to the tier 2, tier 3, tier 4 cities, development is happening. People are moving to urban cities and people are getting more and more modern. They want to be part of this change. India is rising similarly. Various places in the world are rising. Saudi, Africa, you name it. The urbanization is happening so rapidly, and hence the demand for air conditioning is increasing. Demand for thermal comfort is increasing. Earlier, air conditioning was supposed to be a luxurious item. Now it's become more and more necessity. And it is not only in big towns or big cities, it's going across till the villages. So that's the very important aspect we must look at. The demand for cooling equipment is likely to be 8 times higher than the current level. These equipments will be required 8 times higher than what is the demand currently. And by 2037, there will be demand of new AC every 15 seconds. That's for India. India will need AC every 15 seconds by 2037. And that's the prediction, which is very, very important, right? Please enroll in my digital course on good installation practices in HVAC system, because demand is going to rise. We must deliver the projects, HVAC projects, with quality, so that they are more sustainable and they are more efficient, so that we don't have much change on the climate. Effective installation is very, very important for having this. So there's a good installation practices HVAC course which is available on my app. The links are in the description box. Please click the link and take full advantage of this course. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel, follow me on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and ajazkazi.com. Thank you very much.